back to Calvin's Corner 72. I am in Red Clay Historical Site. This building was rebuilt in honor of the Cherokee. This used to be council house. The original council house supposedly set right here. And it looked just like this. It was built back to specs so that we could understand what it looked like back then. What I came here today for was a mail call. But it's a pretty special mail call. It's not one someone just sent me. It's kind of a mail order, so to speak. Hopewellmj. I'll put his link down below in the bucket, as always. Hopewellmj done something for me. I sent him some arrowheads, some artifacts that were found in northwest Georgia. I probably even have video of them where I found them. And what Hopewellmj does, and I seen this by watching Indian Trace, if you have an artifact, an arrowhead, and you want to bring it back to life, a hatchet, you want to bring it back to life, all you see is the rock. Where's the handle, you know? Where's the arrow? I wanted to bring it back to life, like I seen him do Indian Traces. He brought them back to life. But I let him be his own judge on how he done it. I have opened the end of the box, but I haven't got them out. So let's open these up and see what he give me. I had to bring this to a spiritual place. And this is a very spiritual place. But you just can't, I can't imagine what they look like thousands of years ago. So I had him, I asked him to do me a favor. Can you bring these back to life for me? And boy, it looks like he delivered. I asked him to make me 2 atlatl points. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. An atlatl was a wooden stick that had a tip on it that would stick in the end of this. And then they would throw the stick and it would actually be like my arm. It would throw this arrow. And as it stuck into the animal, if the animal run through the woods, it would hit trees and stuff and it would break loose. This part would come out. And then they could run up to this arrow, take another one, refit it in, and use it again. Sort of like a gun with bullets. They kept plenty of these bullets on them, you know what I mean? So they didn't have to replace the whole thing most of the time. Look at them fletchings. They're real turkey fletchings. You did an awesome job. I'll have some close-up pictures. I'd have never believed that this would look like this. I remember finding this arrowhead. Thank you, Hopewellmj. Oh, man. This is my other outlateral point. Look at that thing. I remember finding that point. I think one of my friends was with me when I found this. Oh, yeah. Wow. I found this in a big field. I think I found this one. I found this in a big field. Now this is just a regular arrowhead. Can you see the difference in the length? See how much longer an outlateral is to an arrowhead? Just an arrow. Wonderful craftsmanship. Unbelievable. I will have close-ups of all these. Wow. I remember finding that point at the big field, but on the upper section. Yep. This point I think was given to me by Shane's World, I think. I think I got this out of my case. It's a LaCroix. Again, I will have close-ups of this. Okay guys, looks like I got it to where I can unravel it. And you're going to see it as I see it. Oh man. And this is for display use. This is not going to be used by any means. Maybe I don't have it all the way. He sure will wrap it up good. Wow. Check it out, guys. Oh man, that is so nice. And he's put an arrowhead down here at the back end of leather hand grip. Sewed on with sinew, leather stripe. That's hard leather too. This is my Guilford axe I found in the big field. And brother, you just brought it back to life. I'd have never thought it would look nothing like, I mean, you know, we don't know what it's going to look like. You know, we don't know what it looked like thousands of years. But I'd hope to think that it looked at least a little like that. Brother, you outdid yourself. Guys, I'm telling you, if you want to see your stuff brought back to life, let Hopewellmj breathe life back into your artifacts. He won't do you wrong. I'm going to throw a few more pictures in here, and I appreciate y'all coming by Calvin's Corner 72 for this awesome unveiling. I've got a few more things to see my buddy. Some of y'all know him as Appalachian Dan. And I met up with him.
What's going on, YouTube?
Hey!
Hey, like my stash, huh? Everybody, look at that.
Look at that, boy.
Look at this. Look at that deer. Look at that face right there. That's crazy.
That's Appalachian Dan, y'all.
What's going on?
Y'all go check him out. I'll have his link down below. We had to meet up and do a little trading, horse trading. I'll show y'all later. Y'all be good. Come on back to Calvin's Corner 72. And Appalachian Dan.
Yeah, man.
up there near Hiawassee, Tennessee. And he was selling some artifacts that he handmade. And this is one of them. It's got a beautiful carved lizard on it and a snake on the backside. It's a medicine pipe. Put your medicine in it. You draw on it right here. I just couldn't pass it up. I've been envying this ever since I saw it. And I'll throw some more. I'll throw some pictures of this in here, real close-up pictures out here. You'll be able to see it real good. He also was selling this, and I got it. And let me tell you, the craftsmanship is superb. I mean, one can make a necklace with it if he wanted. Run your leather through the eyes of the lady. But it's really intended to be a knife. Now, I have not attached this, but this is a cow bone that he has carved out. And he says that it would go right here perfectly and make a real awesome knife. But I just don't know if I want to cover the head up by sticking it in there, unless I could uncover the head on so you could still see the head. Maybe I could do that, but just an awesome showpiece. Now, Appalachian Dan, I need you to put a comment down below. I done forgot what the name of the stone is that you used. It's not a steatite. It's not soapstone, but it's harder than soapstone, but it looks like soapstone. And he carved that out, and he done a real good job. Again, I will have pictures of this at the end of this video. I really appreciate y'all coming by. We in the Yahoo. Y'all come back and see me. It's the Cabin's Corner. See me too.